Hello friends, welcome to RS Car Modifies. Friends, today here there is another Vitara and this is again a Sigma variant, and there's lot of modifications we have done. Basically, this is a complete base model, whereas we have completely modified to a top end model. So let me say from the front portion, basically in this we have upgraded the headlight. 9005 is a bulb which comes with a 2 years warranty, coupler to coupler, and headlight chrome. And when it comes to the front portion, you can see a 360-degree camera. We have used RSM own brand which comes with a 1 year warranty. 360, 2GB, 30GB we have installed. And when it comes to a side profile, we have upgraded alloy wheel, door visor and side cladding, door edge guard, like this. Many more accessories we have done. And when it is the interior, we have done top gear, complete a theme concept which is walnut color with a diamond cut finishing. We have done a beautiful seat cover fitting. So let me go inside and explain you what all the modification we have done. So before that, one layer damping and JL component coaxial spacer, full floor mat, 70 mat, like this lot of things we have done. Let's check it inside. Side profile anta bandaga already ನಾನು explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. alloy wheel original Suzuki ದು, door visor, door edge guard ಈ ತರ ಸೈಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸೈಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಿನಿಮಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನೋಡುವ. ಅದರ ಮೊದಲು 3M ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದು ಕೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. So when it has come interior part, obviously we have chosen a top gear brand, complete walnut color, diamond cut, and the seat also is a complete diamond cut. And steering and again in steering we have completely changed the steering, and the center part we have put a walnut color, and ambient light system, glossy finish, MGP kit, like this. Many more things has been done. See, when it comes theme concept and the door pads, see the professionalism work of RS Car Modifies. What has done, neat beauty and neat and fit and fine finish of door pads, complete a beauty finishing of seat cover, complete a full for lamination, door patch, steering center console, like this. We have done a beautiful work. Just let's check it inside how beautifully it has been done. So guys, when it is an interior part, the basic need and necessary was one layer damping, which we have used Moral brand damping, and JL Audio component coaxial for the front and back. So you can see the tweeter pole itself in the JL Audio tweeter, and ambient light of 10 piece, 4 door pads, 2 dashboard, and 4 for the foot. Along with that, center console, everything has been done theme concept, and full for lamination. Along with that, 7D mat. So this really looks amazing look. It looks wow karke it looks. Along with that, when it comes to system, obviously we have put our own brand RSM, which comes with a 360 option, 2GB is a RAM, 32GB is a ROM, which supports wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, 360 Sony lens. And again in this we have done MGP kit to center console. AC vents is a glossy finish, center console and the gearbox, and again we have changed the gear knob. So like this, almost a Sigma variant, we have done a top end variant including a steering. See the beauty of interior work which has been done professionally.